Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Aries fire sign for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see a first card for the reading. Aries, King of Cups, Knight of Cups, Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, so your person could be water signs, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Lot of water energy is here. And yeah, Knight of Cups and King of Cups, you have strong emotions for your person. It could be you, or if it is your person, definitely your person have strong emotions. I think you are working on this relationship, definitely Eight of Pentacles, or you are willing to working on this relationship. For some, you want to concentrate on your career also, so energy could be vice versa. Definitely if it is you, definitely you have strong emotion for your person and you want to express your feelings to your person. If it is your person, definitely your person has strong emotions and they want to express their feelings to you. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see some more messages. Princess of Wands, Four of Swords, Princess of Cups. Yeah, some communication issues I am getting here. You have strong emotions. This person has strong emotions, but there are some communication miscommunication or no communication, or you may be not expressing your feelings to your person, or your person may be not expressing their feelings to you, because Four of Swords is taking rest, not talking to anyone. That is a healing process. Definitely one person in this connection right now undergoing some healing process. Definitely they are thinking about their person a lot but not talking to other person. But the Princess of Cups, definitely they have strong emotions, some messages they want to talk to you. This person want to talk to other person but not talking, because Four of Swords is healing state. But definitely if it is you, definitely you will make a move towards your person, like you will send some message to your person after some time but not right now. If it is your person, definitely they will make a move towards you. There some messages I am getting, some message you will get, because Page of Wands, it is also some message communication card. Let's see some more. I think it's you I am getting. Aries, you are not talking to your person right now. Yeah, Three of Swords, definitely you are heartbroken. King of Wands, Queen, Prince, Ace of Swords. Yeah, definitely you are heartbroken. And King of Wands, definitely your person could be fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Some communication, I think some communication is going to be happen between both of you. King of Wands, your person is very passionate about you, or you are very passionate about your person, but right now you are not talking to your person. You are heartbroken. Still you have strong emotions for your person. Knight of Cups and King of Cups, you have very strong emotions. But Ace of Swords, truth coming out, and new beginnings. Definitely your person wants some new beginnings with you. Some communication, you will receive some communication from your person end. Let's see some more. Six of Swords, Queen of Cups, the Magician. Yeah, King of Cups and Queen of Cups is here in this reading. You both have strong emotions for each other. And Six of Swords, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries and different states. The Magician, I think your person may be manipulator for some only, not all. And I think your person may be in Magician energy, or you could be definitely. The one person in this connection who is this energy, definitely they are going to manifest what they are wishing for. And Six of Swords, definitely some communication, and one person in this connection want to resolve things between both of you. So yeah, you both have strong emotions, but one person is not talking to other person right now. One person is heartbroken. I think it's you. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see your person current feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity about the situation. So let's see first your person current feelings, Aries, towards you. First card, yeah, Knight of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, you or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth energy, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy. Definitely your person is very very passionate about you. Knight of Wands and Knight of Pentacles. Definitely they want to come towards you, and they want to offer this long term commitment to you. They have feelings towards you. Definitely they want to offer this long term commitment to you. They're coming back to you, but they are very very passionate this time, but the energy is very slow. But they will come to you. But Knight means they are in and out your life. Because kings are stable, but Knight is when they want they will come, when they want they will go. So let's see their actions towards you, Aries, your person, your future action. Two of Swords, Hermit, Nine of Swords. Oh, I think they are thinking they will come towards you and want to offer this, but not taking any action right now. Because I think the one person who heartbroken in this connection, maybe it could be your person also, energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Because Two of Swords, definitely your person may be at some crossroads. They have to make a major decision because they don't know what decision they have to make. And the Hermit with Nine of Swords, definitely they are spiritual awakening. They ghosted themselves from all, they are not talking to anyone. I think you are both are in no contact situation, and you both have strong emotions for each other, but still you are not talking to each other. I'm getting Nine of Swords. Definitely your person especially at night times, not sleeping well, and they are in anxiety and depression, and your person thinking about you especially at night times a lot. Lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, so one person, I think for some there is separation also. For some there is no contact between both of you. For some who are in contact, there is very less contact between both of you. But in the near future there will some communication. It will happen between both of you. At least some communication. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Four of Cups, the Emperor, Ten of Pentacles, High Priestess. You both trusting your intuition, definitely. You both want to commit to this connection. You both want stability in this connection, but this is not the right time. Because Four of Cups, I think one person, I think you both are not accepting the cup of love which is offered by both of you. I think you both are, for some you both have strong feelings, still you are ignoring each other. For some it is some ego problem also. For some it could be maybe confusion also. But for some you both feeling sad for the missed opportunity with each other. But some stability is coming in this connection, but it will take time because the High Priestess is here. So patience is also needed. You both are trusting your intuition. Please trust your intuition, because intuition never goes wrong. You both want to offer stability to this connection. So when you both want to work on this relationship, definitely this relationship is going to be next level. So let's see your overall energy, Aries, for the week. Two of Swords, Knight of Wands, Eight of Swords. Yeah, you are stuck. You are also stuck. And Knight of Wands, definitely communication. You are waiting for communication, or you are going to message your person. Definitely some communication, and there is a lot of passion between both of you. One person may be younger than the other person, and you may be good looking and handsome. If you are a girl, you are very beautiful. And Two of Swords, definitely you are also at some crossroads. I think you both have to make decision, definitely, because your person also at some crossroads, you also at some crossroads. You both have to make decision regarding this connection. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Aries. Six of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and Eight of Wands. Yeah, they want to communicate you, and yeah, they want to discuss about commitment issues. Yeah, in past there is no equal give and take in this connection, but now your person want to offer equal give and take. Yeah, the Hierophant, definitely they want to communicate you, they want to express their feelings. Definitely you will get some communication from your person, and definitely some changes are coming in your relationship. Yeah, Ace of Swords, two times. Definitely truth coming out, communication. I think communication is the key here, definitely. So you person want to offer equal give and take this time. Definitely they want to express their feelings. Aries. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you. Bye.